here we go. We're on the opening bell. They've been sliding the bid and the penny bid and ask range all day long. It's quite evident here when they did the SMF gap is that they're sliding this bid right down into this lower area of this 20 minute. Okay. Now you can see here quite clearly at the 10-minute period and the 20 price action is trying to be made. You can see in the bid NAS 25 by 38. It's wide. This is another thing about understanding the level 2. You can see the prints are going off. Johnny hit off at 60. Look at that. Back to 33. So right there was 30 pennies in just a couple of prints between that bid and that ask. And that's when they're trying to get that movement and that price action made right off of that low right here on Apple Computer in the bid NAS 36 by 42. 51. There you go. 51 stepped in and they got to print it up. 75 out at 38 pennies. 54 came back. 56 is a printing off. They're trying to walk that bid and that ask right here. Direct access level. Now, we're going to show you our platform later, but there he goes. That breakout 10. That breakout 10. Look at that. 251.55 is still holding that price action. 251.55 is holding. They're going to see if they slide that bid, go down lower. Give me your next price level, Scotty. Hurry up. 250.94. Put a limit order out at 250.94, but watch this. Watch that swing low action. All right. Well, there's nothing wrong with it. Put it a teeny above it. You hear me? So basically, where are you putting that order out while they slide that bid? You can see the bid slide, folks. It's right here. They slid the bid. That's the price action. Price failure. Slide the bid to the left. We got the nice little short trade. $2 right here. Right here. 253.80 down. We're making lower lows. We're making lower lows right now. You're breaking the 10 and the 20. You got a 3-minute sell signal. Then we're going to buy below the market. We're going to buy below the market. That was a nice short. That was a nice penny down. 3 could not close above half of the bar. Right here. That's the SMF Pro Trader bar. Once that high was made from that gap, guess what? Guess what? Yeah. Once that was confirmed, that's where the price failure was, and that's where they slid that bid. Now, what's going to end up happening is you're going to put in that bottom, and you're going to come up $1 off of this bottom here, folks. And that's the nice thing about using the SMF system. If you stick with this trade and you work it with our system, you will make at least a good dollar when that swing low is put in. All right, you're going to have to stick with it. Okay, it's all over the place. Wait a minute. 55. You want to be in here. That's a delta down, ain't it? Okay. That's, you want to add more. So you want to add more at a delta down, don't you, at 54? Another 100 maybe? Oh. Uh-oh. All right. Well, that changes the story. All right, here. Let's take a look and let's see if you're going to teeny up right down here off slide to this double bottom. What we're going to be looking for right here is price action made or failed. This is the crucial part of the trade. But we have that 3-minute sell signal, so I'm going to tell the trader to penny out because he can. He's not losing any money, but because of this 3-minute sell signal, he needs to penny out into the strength of the bid and the ask, and that's right here. So what was your entry? You should have been out, and you should have been out up above the market with the pennies to help pay for that. Like, did you get it? All right. So basically what we're going to do with the trade is wait and make us prove that this price action is going to hold. It's in a 3-minute sell signal. That is not good. I will be back on the tape. All right, Scotty, this is the price action here in the tape. This is the level 2 bid and ask. They popped it up. Bid popped it, but it fell because of this 3-minute sell signal. And here, let me get this out of the way. Let me pull this up here a little bit more so you can see that that penny bid and ask in our SMF is that the price action is trying to hold. You still have that sell signal. That was the reason of coming out here on this bar until this stops going down. As the trader is being guided with that penny bid and ask, he understands with a 3-minute sell signal that he can't get prompted in and he has to go lower in the formula and work his way down. And they slid that bid. That's why he sold up at the high bar. There Apple goes on another slide. 3, 6, 9, 3 bar in action. Level 2's printing mad. I got a low of 17 pennies. That's why he couldn't be in it. And yet at 369,